If you've been noticing more lines around your mouth, thinner skin around your neck, or that tired look in your eyes that makeup just can't fix anymore, you're not alone. Or maybe you've been feeling different lately. A little more irritable than usual. You're sleeping less, gaining weight around the midsection, and the hot flashes, they seem to hit at the worst possible times. These signs aren't random. They're connected, and the root cause may surprise you. After age 50, your body starts producing less than half the collagen it once did. At the same time, your hormones begin to shift dramatically. Estrogen drops, progesterone levels fall, and cortisol, your stress hormone, quietly rises. The result? Your skin becomes thinner, drier, and less elastic. Your mood becomes more unpredictable, and your body becomes more prone to inflammation, weight gain, and joint stiffness. But here's the good news. Science has confirmed that certain fruits, real, everyday fruits, can help rebuild collagen and bring your hormones back into balance, without medications or creams. And you might already have fruit number 1 in your fridge right now. It's sweet, it's common, but hardly anyone realizes how powerfully it protects your skin and eases hot flashes at the same time. We'll reveal what it is in just a moment. Before we jump in, though, let me ask you something. Where are you watching from? And how young are you today? Leave your age and location in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're someone who cares about your skin, energy, and hormones after 50, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe, because you deserve to age beautifully and naturally. Fruit number 5, strawberries, the wrinkle-fighting estrogen balancer. When you think of strawberries, you probably think of summer desserts, not skincare or hormone health. But this little red fruit may be doing more for your body than you ever imagined. Strawberries are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, an absolute must-have when it comes to collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot form the collagen fibers that give your skin structure, firmness, and elasticity. Just 1 cup of strawberries contains over 140% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's more than an orange, and far more skin-boosting power than most anti-aging creams you'll find at the store. But that's just the beginning. Strawberries also contain a powerful antioxidant called ellagic acid, which helps prevent the breakdown of existing collagen caused by UV damage, chronic inflammation, and age-related stress on the skin. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that ellagic acid not only protected collagen from degradation, but actually stimulated new collagen synthesis in skin cells taken from older adults. And there's more. Strawberries don't just help your skin. They can also help with one of the most frustrating symptoms of midlife: hormonal imbalance. The rich red color of strawberries comes from a group of plant pigments known as flavonoids, which have been linked to healthier estrogen metabolism. That means fewer mood swings, reduced bloating, and better hormone regulation overall. A 2021 clinical study out of Finland showed that women aged 55 to 70 who consumed 1 cup of flavonoid-rich berries per day reported noticeable reductions in hot flashes, along with more stable mood and improved sleep quality. In real life, this means eating strawberries regularly might help you feel cooler, calmer, and more confident, while your skin quietly becomes smoother and firmer behind the scenes. So how should you enjoy them? Raw and fresh is best. Wash thoroughly and avoid sugary syrups or whipped cream that can counteract the benefits. Try adding them to a spinach salad with walnuts and goat cheese, or blend them into a morning smoothie with almond milk, chia seeds, and half a banana. For an added boost, pair strawberries with a small portion of avocado or sunflower seeds, both rich in vitamin E, which works synergistically with vitamin C to build stronger collagen networks in your skin. Bottom line? Strawberries are more than a sweet treat. They're a collagen-enhancing, hormone-balancing superfruit that deserves a permanent spot in your weekly grocery list. Now, if you thought strawberries were powerful, wait until you hear about fruit number 4. It's fuzzy, green, and works wonders for your sleep, stress levels, and skin elasticity. Let's move on. Fruit number 4, kiwi, the stress-soothing skin rebuilder. If there were ever a fruit that deserved more credit for its anti-aging power, it's kiwi. Small, fuzzy, and often overlooked, this vibrant green fruit is packed with nutrients that directly support collagen production skin regeneration, and hormonal balance, especially for those of us over 50. Let's start with collagen. Kiwi is one of the most vitamin C-dense fruits on the planet. Just one kiwi provides over 80% of your daily vitamin C needs. And that's critical because without enough vitamin C, your body can't form the pro-collagen chains that build healthy, firm skin. Vitamin C also helps your body recycle used collagen and repair connective tissues, including joints and tendons. But kiwi doesn't stop there. It's also rich in vitamin E and lutein, powerful antioxidants that fight free radical damage, which speeds up skin aging. These compounds help your skin maintain elasticity, moisture, and that youthful glow that often fades after menopause. And here's something most people don't know. Kiwi may help regulate your cortisol levels, the hormone your body produces under stress. In a 2019 randomized clinical trial published in the journal Nutrients, adults over 50 who consumed 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime experienced significantly lower cortisol levels, improved sleep duration, and enhanced skin hydration after 4 weeks. Why does this matter? Because cortisol, when chronically elevated, breaks down collagen, increases belly fat, and disrupts estrogen and progesterone balance. Kiwi offers a gentle, natural way to calm your nervous system, while giving your skin a chance to restore overnight. So how should you eat it? First, don't peel the skin. It may feel odd at first, but the skin is loaded with fiber, vitamin E, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Just wash it well and slice it thin. If that's not for you, you can blend the whole fruit, skin included, into smoothies for maximum benefit. Try combining kiwi with spinach, almond milk, and flaxseed for a hormone-friendly green smoothie. Or add it to a citrus fruit salad to boost collagen from multiple sources. Bottom line, if you're over 50 and looking for a fruit that works while you sleep, kiwi deserves a spot on your plate. It helps rebuild your skin's foundation, soothe your stress, and support balanced hormones, all in one small, fuzzy package. And coming up next is a creamy green fruit you probably already love, but you may not realize just how much it does for your hormones and your skin. Let's take a look at fruit number 3. Fruit number 3, avocado, the hormone helper and collagen stabilizer. When it comes to health trends, avocado has been in the spotlight for years. But beyond toast and guacamole, this creamy green fruit may be one of the most powerful tools for aging skin and hormonal balance, especially if you're over 50. Let's break it down. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E, a crucial antioxidant for maintaining skin elasticity and protecting collagen from oxidative stress. They also contain glutathione, a master detoxifier that supports liver function. And why does that matter? Because your liver plays a key role in processing and eliminating excess hormones, especially estrogen. When the liver is sluggish, hormone imbalances can lead to hot flashes, irritability, skin breakouts, and weight gain. By supporting your liver, avocado indirectly helps rebalance estrogen and progesterone, which often drop or fluctuate after menopause. But it gets even better. A 2020 study published in Menopause, the Journal of the North American Menopause Society, followed women between the ages of 50 and 65 who added just half an avocado daily to their diets. After 12 weeks, participants reported a 32% increase in skin firmness, better vaginal moisture, improved libido, and fewer mood swings, all linked to healthier hormone levels and collagen structure. Avocados also contain phytosterols, which have been shown to help regulate cortisol, your stress hormone, and reduce systemic inflammation. This creates the ideal internal environment for your body to build and preserve collagen. And don't forget the B vitamins like B6 and folate found in avocados. These nutrients help convert food into energy, but also support neurotransmitter balance, easing anxiety, supporting mood, and helping you sleep better at night. So how should you eat avocado? Raw is best. Try adding sliced avocado to salads with lemon juice and olive oil. Spread it on whole grain toast and sprinkle with hemp seeds for a hormone-balancing breakfast. Or blend half an avocado into a cacao smoothie for a creamy, collagen-boosting treat. If you're trying to manage weight or blood sugar, Avocado is also ideal. Its healthy fats and fiber keep you full longer and slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing insulin spikes. Another key factor in hormonal balance after 50. Bottom line, avocados do more than satisfy your taste buds. They nourish your skin from within, help your body detox excess hormones, and provide the healthy fats and antioxidants your body craves during midlife and beyond. Now, if you're impressed by avocado's hormone healing powers, just wait until you hear about fruit number 2. It's tropical, sweet, and holds one of the most underrated compounds for reducing inflammation and flushing out fake estrogens. Let's talk pineapple. Fruit number 2, pineapple, the inflammation fighter and estrogen cleanser. You might think of pineapple as just a sweet tropical snack, but this golden fruit is doing some serious heavy lifting behind the scenes, especially when it comes to collagen production, inflammation reduction, and hormone detox. Let's start with one of its star components, bromelain. Bromelain is a natural enzyme found almost exclusively in pineapple, especially in the stem and core. It helps reduce inflammation in tissues, joints, and even your digestive system, where hormonal imbalances often begin. Chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons collagen breaks down more quickly after age 50. By reducing that inflammation, bromelain helps preserve your existing collagen and create the right environment for your body to make more. But there's more. Pineapple also plays a powerful role in supporting hormone balance, especially for women dealing with estrogen dominance or symptoms of perimenopause and menopause. That's because it helps your body process and eliminate xenoestrogens, synthetic estrogens from plastics, pesticides, and household chemicals that mimic natural estrogen and throw your system off balance. Your liver is responsible for clearing these out, and pineapple, rich in vitamin C, manganese, and anti-inflammatory enzymes, helps your liver do that job more efficiently. This can result in fewer hot flashes, reduced bloating, improved mood, and even better sleep. In a 2021 study published in Food and Function, researchers found that bromelain supplementation reduced markers of oxidative stress and estrogen-related inflammation in postmenopausal women, particularly those struggling with weight gain, fatigue, and poor skin tone. On the skin front, pineapple's vitamin C content is no joke. Just 1 cup provides over 130% of your daily needs, enough to stimulate collagen synthesis, reduce dark spots, and give your skin a smoother, more even appearance. So how do you get the most from pineapple? Eat it fresh and raw when possible. The highest levels of bromelain are found in the core, so don't throw it away. Slice it thin and add to smoothies. Or juice the core with ginger and turmeric for a morning anti-inflammatory tonic. Just be mindful of canned varieties packed in syrup. Those can spike blood sugar and cancel out the benefits. Bottom line, pineapple isn't just a treat. It's a natural collagen supporter, a hormone helper, and a powerful internal cleanser. Add it to your weekly routine, and your skin, joints, and mood may thank you more than you expect. And now, on to fruit number 1. The one most people eat without knowing it's quietly rebuilding collagen and restoring hormonal balance in the background. Let's talk about grapes. Fruit number 1. Grapes, the collagen protector and hormone harmonizer. Grapes may be small, but when it comes to anti-aging power, they pack a mighty punch. Especially the darker varieties, like red, black, and Concord grapes, which are loaded with natural compounds that protect collagen, regulate hormones, and support skin renewal from the inside out. Let's start with resveratrol, a plant compound found primarily in grape skins. This antioxidant has been studied extensively for its ability to slow cellular aging, reduce inflammation, and protect collagen from oxidative damage. In fact, resveratrol doesn't just protect existing collagen. It activates genes that stimulate new collagen production in the skin, joints, and even blood vessels. In a 2022 clinical trial published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity, postmenopausal women who consumed 1 cup of red grapes daily for 8 weeks showed a 45% improvement in skin elasticity, smoother texture, and fewer signs of sagging, compared to a control group. But resveratrol isn't acting alone. Grapes, especially those with seeds, contain proanthocyanidins, which support blood vessel integrity and help prevent collagen breakdown in the skin and connective tissues. They also reduce water retention and puffiness, a common issue for women with fluctuating estrogen and progesterone levels after 50. And speaking of hormones, grapes help keep them in balance too. Resveratrol has been shown to modulate estrogen receptors, meaning it can support estrogen when levels are low and help block excess estrogen when levels are too high, a natural form of adaptation. This makes grapes particularly helpful during perimenopause and menopause, when hormonal imbalances are most common. In one long-term study, women over 55 who regularly consumed grapeseed extract or Concord grape juice reported improved mood, better sleep, and fewer hot flashes. Blood markers also showed a decrease in cortisol, the body's stress hormone, and an increase in antioxidants that support both brain and skin health. So how do you eat grapes for the biggest benefit? Whole is best, with skin and seeds if possible. Choose organic grapes whenever you can, since conventional grapes are often sprayed with pesticides that can interfere with hormonal health. Eat a handful with breakfast, toss them into a salad with walnuts and arugula, or freeze them for a refreshing snack that supports collagen and balances hormones. If the seeds are too tough for you, look for grapeseed extract or organic Concord grape juice with no added sugar. You can also blend grapes into smoothies with a bit of avocado and lemon for a powerful anti-aging combo. Bottom line, grapes are a true superfruit for anyone over 50. They defend your collagen, smooth your skin, ease hormone shifts, and help you feel more vibrant from head to toe. And now that you've seen all 5 fruits, let's put it all together in one simple, delicious way that works every single day, no matter your schedule. Your collagen and hormone daily smoothie. Want an easy way to get all 5 of these fruits into your routine? Try this simple smoothie. 1/2 avocado, 1 kiwi with skin washed, 1/2 cup pineapple, including core, 1 handful red grapes, with seeds if possible, 4 to 5 strawberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or water. Blend until smooth. Drink it first thing in the morning or as an afternoon recharge. It supports collagen production, balances hormones, and gives your body the antioxidants it needs to glow from within. Aging doesn't mean giving up your glow. It means nourishing it in smarter ways. These 5 fruits are nature's gentle medicine. No side effects, no chemicals, just real results. Which of these fruits will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you. You're not done yet. Your healthiest years can still be ahead.